Okay, so I made a video previously about a month ago saying that I fixed my audio issues. Now I finally actually have fixed my audio issues because I bought basically a new microphone. And I'm gonna show you guys the old one. So I basically took down the video because I made a mistake. So Rode Wireless Pro, this one is the one I've been using for my phone actually. So right now I'm using my phone to record. You can see through this mirror right here, it is my phone, my iPhone 16 Pro. And for whatever reason, when you use the native camera app, which is what I'm using, and you record with this, I used to connect the transmitter, which is this thing, through this into the back of my phone, like it would be in my phone. And it would work. I did that for a good 6 months, basically. But because my second channel, oftentimes I'm like, I don't want to edit. It's meant to just be a documentation of my thoughts and all that stuff, like, and my experiences. So I kind of just like immediately post it afterwards. And I never really wanted to edit because it just takes extra time, and I did it a lot. You know, I recorded myself pretty much every single day. And those were also busy days. So I ended up, you know, hearing a lot of comments saying that my audio wasn't very good, and or at least the volume was like the issue. And so, you know, I would listen back on my iPhone 16 Pro and it sounded fine to me. Like I didn't need to max out my volume for whatever reason, but on other people's devices, and especially when recently my friend told me that that's what happened to her, I took it to heart a bit more because I was like, oh, okay, this is actually really happening with other people's devices where they have to like max out the volume to be able to hear me. So it's a real issue and I want to solve it, you know? And my friend actually said, it was funny because she said they would max out their volume and then whenever they play a different video, like it would be super loud and they would be very surprised, and then they would like shake their fist and be like, damn it, Scott, like it's your fault, which I think it was my fault. But now I have the Holly Landmark 2S or something. It's the newer version, which is like smaller, and you can see it on me. And I have it connected to my phone. As you can see, they have this little thing right here, which connects to this thing, and they also have like an app which lets me adjust the volume a little bit. Not too much actually. There's only 3 volume controls and I'm maxed out, so it's not gonna get louder than this, basically. So, but I think it's gonna be louder than this, the Rode Wireless Pro. For whatever reason, I don't know why, this thing's so expensive too. It's like, maybe like $300-ish. And like, connecting to the camera, yes, you can set it properly on the camera, but on the iPhone, even with the Blackmagic camera app, like it's still just so low. The volume is just so low. Like I don't understand why. I feel like you should be able to basically get it to clip if you try really, really hard. And for this microphone, I've been able to clip it because I was practicing a little bit piano and singing, and I was able to clip it when I do that. But for that thing, if I were to put it on my iPhone, I would need to like scream super loud before I could clip it. And there's no way to change the settings. Like there's just none. I did a lot of research. Like changing the settings on this in-device does not affect how it sounds on the iPhone through the native camera app. And even for the Blackmagic Pro app, like it's very limited in how much you can control. So it's very, very unfortunate. And yeah, it sucks. I had to basically buy this thing, which, I mean, I'm actually, first impressions, I'm pretty happy with it. It seems pretty cool, but hopefully there aren't any issues that come up because I was recording myself and then suddenly like the audio just stopped recording. So I don't even know if the audio is recording right now. I'll have to listen to this back and find out. But yeah, I'm just praying there's no issues from here on. Yeah, I want to definitively say that I've fixed the audio volume issue. Hopefully from here on there will be better consistent volume. Yeah. Okay. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll catch you guys in the next one.